Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside the CVS, and CVS is just a smidge slower this week, just because it seems like they're like, oh, everyone saved with those older style CRTs that no one was supposed to have, but that we gave to everyone, and now that no one has them again, which is super sad. Hopefully you guys were able to utilize those to the max and grab extra savings. Like I was able to. I was going to make a video last week, but then went in the store and there was only like 2 items out of like, I think like the 10 or 12 that I wanted to grab. So unfortunately, I mean the next closest store to me is about half an hour to 45 minutes away, which is way too far for me to drive for just a couple deals. So it is what it is, but yeah. Also, I got my insurance. So as y'all know, I have 2 vehicles. I have my Jeep and then my summer car, which is the older car. I got my insurance bill in the mail because I pay every 6 months. How much y'all pay for insurance? Because like it was the number. I have to call them today or tomorrow and be like, WTF, how is it that expensive? Like I have really good driving history and everything, so I just don't understand how it keeps going up. It went up like almost, I would say like $50 from the last 6 months, and then previously it went up another like $50 from the like. I just don't get it. And if you work in insurance, explain why it goes up to me. Like I'd love to know. Like I just don't get it. Why is it so expensive? It's not like I have brand new vehicles. Like my car is a 2012. It's older. Does that mean it's more expensive? I don't know. But anyway, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Our first deal is a great money maker. It's on the Bactine products. They are on promotion for buy one, get $5 in extra bucks. And they have a new lower price. So this Bactine Max antibiotic and Max pain relief with lidocaine is new lower price is $6.29. You'll pay that at the register because there's no digital coupons or anything. Then we'll get the $5 in extra bucks for buying one. Plus we'll submit to Ibotta for $2.49. And then it will make it a $1.20 moneymaker. Now, if your store is sold out or don't have any left, you can grab this cleansing spray. This $7.99. Ibotta has a different rebate for this. So I think it's $2.89 on Ibotta, which will make it just 10 cents for grabbing this one, which is still a really good deal. We have some clearance finds in like the sleepy kind of area. I don't know what to call it, but you can grab these ZQL Sleep Nasal Strips, 50% off for $9.49. Or we have this Natural Sleep Stuff, Sleep and Restore, 50% off. Or the Ollie Sleep, 50% off at $9.99. Or lastly, we have this Melatonin, 30% off. Or this Natural Melatonin, 50% off for $10.79. Okay, for the Ollie, I realized we have $3 in Ibotta, making it $6.99, so way better of a deal. So a couple children's vitamin clearance finds. Now, if you're okay with taking children's vitamins, these might be for you. Or if you have children, great deals. But you can grab these Transformer ones, 60% off, $5.99. Or we have this gummy dinos. Look how cute those are. $4.62, or this chewable multivitamin, $1.79, or this multivitamin plus probiotic, $3.19. Huggies diapers are on promotion for buy 2, get $5 in extra bucks, and they're 2 for $22. I think they're normally 2 for $20, so not a fan of the price increase, but whatever. So grab whatever 2 bag sizes that you need. Your total will be $22. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $19. We'll get the $5 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them $14 for both. Or if you prefer, you can grab the pull-ups. They are the same promotion, so grabbing 2 will be $22. We have a separate $3 digital coupon, so you'll pay $19. Get the $5 in extra bucks for buying 2. Then you'll submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on each package. So you'll get a total of $1.50 from Ibotta, making them just $12.50 for both. We have these Huggies Skin Essentials. These are the 112 count wipes, 50% off at $5.39. So it looks like the Live Better diapers are on clearance. So we have some as cheap as 20% off and some as high as 50% off. So like the size 4, 20. You can see the size 5 bags are 50. The boxes of 6 are 30. Otherwise we have like the size 7, 50% off. The size 6, 30% off. These ones, 20% off, 30% off, or the smaller bags of 4, 50% off. Otherwise, we have a couple different JAMAs on clearance. Looks like 20, 10, or the best one is 50% off for the large size, $7.39. Or you can grab the box of Goodnights. These are $19.24. Only, no, it looks like the girls one is also on sale. Great deal on the Garnier Fructis products. They are on promotion, 2 for $9. There's no extra bucks coming back for doing this deal, but everyone got a $2 CRT, plus there's a $4 digital coupon, so we'll get a total of $6 off, making them 2 for $3. This week, TRESemmé products are on promotion. For spend $20, we'll get $10 in extra bucks. The best way to do this deal, in my opinion, is to grab 2 of the shampoo conditioner products. They're $7.29 at my store. Then we're going to come grab this extra hold hairspray for $5.99. These 3 products will total you $20.57. We have a $5 off of 2 digital coupons, so there's no coupon for the third item, but we'll be left to pay $15.57 at the register. We'll get the $10 in extra bucks for spending $20, making all 3 of these just $5.57. There is really good deal on Axe body wash. It is definitely better than Walgreens. Just throwing that out there. No hate to Walgreens, but Axe body wash are buy one get one 50% off. Buy 2 get $3 in extra bucks. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab 2 of your favorite scent. One will be full price, one will be 50% off, so it'll be $8.98. We have a $5 digital coupon. You'll pay $3.98, but get the $3 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them just 98 cents for both. If you like the Dial hand soap, there's great savings on it. It is on the and like the normal hand soap. They're buy one get one 40% off. Buy 2 get $3 in extra bucks. They're $3.39 at my store, so one at full price, one at 40% off will be $5.42. There's no digital coupons to use, so you'll pay that at the register. Get the $3 in extra bucks for buying 2, plus submit to Ibotta for 25 cents on one, making them $2.17 for both. Alright guys, so I've seen these hang tags across the aisle. I almost said hall. So it says get up to $40 in wellness rewards. You're going to buy 2 Method products and then submit your receipt to methodrewards.com. And then you can enter to win a Canyon Ranch wellness getaway. So you have to buy and submit your receipt by 5/4 looks like, and then redeem by 9/1, and it's 1 per person. So here it is. Here's everything you need to know. The inside is literally just some products that they're showing. But if you like Method, this might be something to look into. Alright, shout out to Roberto who told me about a couple clearance finds, and then I just started browsing and I saw some really good clearance finds, so we're gonna do like Walgreens yesterday and Quickfire. So we have the Dawn Platinum Plus Power Wash, 50% off, $3.39. There's no coupons. I double checked because I like this product, but that's a good deal. It's Total Home Sponge 4-pack, $1.59. We have this, oops, I put it back wrong. This Finish Ultimate 38 tab, $12.49. We have this, okay, we have a couple empty, but this Method, it's broken because that's why I'm leaving it here, but $2.15. Another good one is this one I'm putting in my cart already. This glass cooktop. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. I have a glass cooktop stove, $1.49. Like, that's a good deal. And then we have this Total Home glass cleaner, $1.40. Then we have this pink stuff. I've never used that, so I don't know how good that is. We also have, where'd they go? Oh, this Airwick Vibrant for $49, 50% off, and there's $1 on Ibotta, $1 or $2, whatever. I'll pop it up on the screen. Then we have this. This is 50% off for $4.64, and then the next one that I saw that was really good was down here. This EOS. It was lavender sheet. I think it was something like this, but that was a good price. And then the last one was the all free and clear pack for $94. Now I know that's close to the normal price we pay, but it's still not that bad of a price. Also, if you have a new system store where you can get extra bucks for clearance products, right now any Airwick is spend $12, get $3 in extra bucks, so you can grab these clearance ones. Great, get a great deal on them, and then submit to Ibotta and have them super cheap. Now my store is an old system, so I can't test this out, so I don't know for sure, but I've seen a lot of people posting that extra bucks will print for clearance items if you have a new system. Alright, so we have our normal spend at $30, get $10 in extra bucks, and there's tons of different ways to do it, but this is the best way that I think to do it, especially if you like Tide. This is the way to grab Tide products. So the first product you're going to grab is a Tide Pods for $5.49. Next, you're going to come grab a Tide Liquid for $5.49. These sometimes are on sale for like $6.99, which is crazy. Lastly, select paper products are included in this, and we're going to grab either 2 of the 18 triple rolls of the Scott or 2 of the 12,000 sheets, the 12 rolls. They're both $9.99, so grab whatever 2 you like. So this is the easiest way to do it, is to grab these 4 products. For example, your total will be $30.96, so literally anyone can do this deal. We have a $2 off of 2 for the Scott, a $1 digital coupon for the Tide, and a $1 digital coupon for the Downy Liquid. I meant for the Tide Liquid. But anyway, you're supposed to pay $26.96 at the register, get the $10 in extra bucks, making them $16.96. Now, yes, this is a little more expensive for a spend 30 deal, but we're grabbing 2 massive things of toilet paper in this deal. So guys, apparently don't grab the Tide with Downy. It does not scan for the $1 coupon on the CVS app. Really good savings on Purex if it's a brand you like. They're on promotion for buy one, get $3 in extra bucks, and they're on sale for $9.99. There's no digital coupons, but if you have one of those $1 hang tags, you can use that. And if you don't, you'll just pay the $9.99 at the register, get the $3 in extra bucks, making it just $6.99 for one of these larger. We have the 85 load or the 115 load. Now, unfortunately, there's no Ibotta rebates. There's a couple different ones floating out there, but nothing that works for either of these. If you like the Arm & Hammer products, they're just $1.99, and it works for the liquids or the power packs. OxiClean products are just $1.99. There's no digital coupons needed for this deal, and I think that's not that bad of a stock price. It's well over 50% off for either one that you're going to grab. There's phenomenal savings on Revlon products this week. This week they are buy 2, get $5 in extra bucks. So obviously grab whatever 2 products that you like. If you like Revlon and wear makeup, the cheapest way to do this deal is to grab 2 of the beautiful nail polishes, or like even the top coat clear one, whatever. They're $6.39, so grabbing 2 of them will be $12.78. We have a $6 off of 2 CRT, so you'll pay $6.78 at the register. Get the $5 in extra bucks for buying 2, making them $1.78 for both nail polishes. It looks like Easter non-food items are 75% off, and the food items are 50% off. So definitely check your store for some cute Easter stuff. Alright guys, this is everything I'm gonna grab. Let's go check out and see how we do. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and I grabbed everything that I showed you guys. So we have the Garnier, we have the Scott, we have the Tide, what is that? Oh, the cooktop clearance. So right in it for the $1.49. then the Axe. Then we have the biotin. So for coupons, we have the $5 for the Axe, the $4 for the Garnier, $2 for the Scott, $1 for the Tide, $1 for the Tide, and then the $2 CRT for the Garnier. And then I rolled a whole bunch of extra bucks, I think like 20 something dollars worth. So my subtotal was only $11.75. So nope, $11.72. I submitted to Ibotta for $2.49. And then since I have my card linked to Rakuten, CVS is an in-store offer. I think today it was like 2.5%, so I'll get like pennies back. I always get pennies back, but those pennies add up. So it makes, before Rakuten, whatever pennies I'll get, makes everything $9.23. For extra bucks that I did earn the $10 for spend 30. The I said biotin, the Bactine. $5 extra buck for buying Bactine. $3 extra buck for buying the Axe. Oh, I got a 20% that printed off. That's so exciting. I haven't gotten one of those in a hot minute. So I'm gonna have to remember to grab that. So yeah, everything worked out perfectly. Definitely check your store for those clearance. If you can find some, that'd be super amazing. Yeah, that's it. Let me know, like I said in the beginning, let me know what you pay for insurance, car insurance, because I'm probably just gonna get some quotes and see. Like, I just don't understand how it's so expensive. But anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.